feel just a little bit dated. You're gonna have one of two reactions in this video. One, you're gonna see the outfits, the before outfits, and be like, that looks great, I love it. I think I'll go wear that today. It looks amazing. Or you're gonna see the before outfit and be like, oh my gosh, I wore that so much. Please tell me some other way to wear it. I don't wanna wear it in that way anymore. That's who this video will help. Styles change, styles evolve. The things we were loving wearing a few years ago, we might be tired of. I'm tired of wearing some of these things. So I wanna show you some new ways to take them apart, put them back together in different ways to feel fresh again and help us enjoy our clothes. As always, with anything that I say or anybody else says, take what you love and that works for your life, and if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't resonate with you, just leave it and never think about it ever again. All right, let's get started. Leggings with a long tunic, with a circle scarf, and like a floppy hat, and some low shaft boots. I kept saying ankle boots in a couple videos, and that's not what I meant. I meant the low shaft boots. I feel like this outfit, where I live, just all of us were wearing it just all the time. That's all did we ever wear anything else? I don't know, but we were wearing it a lot. I love leggings. I feel like leggings are a staple in everybody's closet for the most part, although we're probably not wearing them as much as we used to. But I like pairing those leggings with some knee-high boots, or even some, ankle boots that actually go to your ankle. I like a sweater with them, maybe even a shacket if you're into shackets. I'm not really into shackets, but if you are, they look great with leggings. Circle scarf, as we have discussed in another video, is just kind of looking a little bit dated already, so I would just stick with a regular scarf. And then maybe not the floppy hat. Maybe just leave the hat out, or do a regular, not floppy, straight, stiff brimmed hat. I think they were called something, and I can't think of what that is. For me personally, I feel like I've kind of put my leggings away, and I really have not gravitated towards them because I did wear them so much so long ago, but they are really great to wear during the winter time. And I just feel like this feels more fresh when you pair them back with some different items. The leopard midi, man, this was like probably the most sold item of 2018 or something. The leopard midi, sneakers, a graphic tee, maybe even a jacket, like a leather jacket, and a hat, maybe a floppy hat. That was the outfit. Oh my goodness, I think it was 2018. So that was a very big look. If you have your leopard midi, I would not get rid of that. I feel like even if you're tired of it right now, you're gonna want it at some other point in your life. But I would put that with some different items. I would pair it with maybe a button down on the top. Instead of doing sneakers, maybe do a chunky boot or a knee-high boot. Maybe even pair it with a sweater, maybe add a belt over it. There's lots of different ways you can restyle this leopard midi that makes it feel more fresh, instead of doing the graphic tee and sneakers. And if you want to keep the sneakers because it's super comfortable, I would put some kind of sweater or knit top with it instead of the graphic tee. Skinny jeans with probably some low shaft boots and a tight top. So I brought up on several of my videos that balance is always a great idea when you're putting together your outfit. And the way that the trends, and not even, I shouldn't say trends, but the way that styles and fashion has moved, and I'm sure it'll move back at some point, but a looser fit is more of an updated look. It looks more current, it looks more modern. So the tight top, tight skinny jeans, it needs to be broken up and paired with some looser items, in my opinion anyway. If you love the tightness, obviously keep doing it. Like pair your skinny jeans with a looser fit top and maybe some knee-high boots. I love that look. Or some combat boots, some chunky boots. Or pair your tighter top with some kind of looser bottom, like a trouser pant or some straight leg denim. Even just adding a taller, chunkier boot already helps balance this outfit out a little bit better. I feel like that just looks more current. And this is definitely one that's, if you still love it and it's totally fine, it's nothing wrong with it, they need to be refreshed. It's a tight mini, a tight top, and boots. The whole thing is tight. I feel like for the evening, this might be a nice evening look or whatever, but as an outfit, I feel like it needs an update. I feel like what looks more current and modern would be to, again, add some loose fit element to that outfit. Like take the tight top away and put a more loose fitting top with that tight mini skirt. Or take the mini skirt away and put some, trouser pants or some straight leg denim with that tighter top. Even like a midi skirt with a tighter top, I feel like looks a little more current than a tight mini and a tight top and then, you know, your boots. I feel like this way it looks more balanced and it feels more effortless. Biker shorts and a blazer. Not sure if you were wearing that. That was another really big look from a few years ago that, you know, we don't really see anymore. But instead of the biker shorts, it's kind of just moved towards regular tailored shorts with the blazer. That is a very current look. Shorts with a blazer jacket. That whole look is very current right now and it looks really put together, but I love that look. I think I've said it in multiple videos. I love it for any season. I just think that is so cute. Maybe roll up your blazer sleeves. I think it looks adorable. But the biker shorts, I think we're back to just using them like with a sweatshirt or going to the gym or actually biking somewhere as opposed to a fashion statement. So ballet flats are back and, you know, maybe they were never out for you, but they are definitely back. You see them everywhere right now. But what is kind of dated and it feels like it needs something different is the ballet flats with a midi skirt, or any flats with a midi skirt, or sneakers with a midi skirt. Basically that midi skirt that hits you right at the largest part of your calf. It doesn't work for a ton of people. And if you're wearing it with flat shoes, whether it be ballet flats or just anything that's flat down there, it really can make you look more stumpy than you really want it to be. I feel like this whole look, I don't know what we were all thinking, the midi skirt and ballet flats, like it looks good on some people. For a lot of us, we could wear a lot of other things that look way better on us. If you're gonna wear these ballet flats with a longer skirt, I would make sure it hits you down there where your ankles are. It doesn't have to be right at your ankles, but just not up there at the largest part of your calf. Now, what I do feel like ballet flats look amazing with is like a shorter skirt. Like I feel like a short dress or short skirt with ballet flats, I feel like that could be a cute daytime look. You know, the whole idea of the shorter the hemline, the lower the heel. I feel like that looks great for a daytime look. Even with a knee length skirt, flats can look really great because it's hitting you at your knees and still you have some shape to your legs. And I even feel like ballet flats can look great with some pairs of jeans. So those are my outfits and a little bit of an update if you wish to do with those clothes. Let me know what you think. I love hearing from you guys. I love hearing how you style these things or how you don't style these things. If you have other ways to wear that leopard midi that like I'm sure a lot of you have, I still have one in my closet, is like could not look at it for a while. You know, comment below, let us know your styling ideas. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.